Hello there, welcome to Pastryology by Vimal, where I share easy and delicious dessert recipe for you. My name is Vimal, I'm a pastry chef. In today's video, we'll be doing a rich and creamy banoffee cheesecake. Not a pie, a cheesecake. Let's roll the intro. There are three components which make this a banoffee cheesecake. One, a banana cheesecake with digestive biscuit base. Then we'll be making a toffee or Dulce De Leche and vanilla Chantilly cream or heavy whipped cream to go on top of the cheesecake. So now let's get started. To make the banoffee cheesecake, you need 350 grams of cream cheese, 200 grams of sour cream, 225 grams of ripe banana, 50 gram or 1 large egg, 5 ml of lemon juice, 175 grams of sugar, 45 grams of digestive biscuit, 12 grams of unsalted butter and some condensed milk. Let's start the process by making Dulce De Leche or toffee using condensed milk. There are many ways of doing this. The easiest one is to immerse this in a pot of water and boil it for 90 minutes to 2 hours. I'm using a smaller one, so 90 minutes will be alright. If you're using a bigger packet, then it might take a longer time to cook. Now the drawback of this method is that you won't know whether it is cooked or not. Now the alternative way of doing this is open this packet, put it in a baking pan, cover it with silver foil and bake it in the oven with water underneath. That means on a double boiler. You keep this on a tray of water and bake it for 90 minutes so that you can open the silver foil and see whether it is caramelized or not. Let's make the cheesecake base by powdering the digestive biscuit. I'm using a Ziploc bag. You can even use a mixer grinder to do this. Once you have a fine powder, add 12 grams of melted butter into it and give it a good mix. Let's prepare a base using the cookie crumb on the baking dish. Using a flat lid of a container, press it firmly. Once you have the base ready, let's start making the cheesecake mix. For that, using a food processor, let's blend banana and sugar together. Once the banana and sugar is blended, add rest of the ingredients and blend it to a smooth mix. So that's it guys, the cheesecake batter is ready. We just need to get all the ingredients blended together. It tastes good. Always taste your batter before you bake the cake just to make sure that all the ingredients are correct and the flavor is right. Okay, let's transfer this into a baking dish now. This recipe yields 2 5-inch cake ring. I'm only baking one right now and you need to bake this at 120 degrees Celsius. Now remember this very carefully, when you bake a cheesecake, you always bake at a lower temperature to maintain that creamy texture. If you bake it at high temperature, your cheesecake will become crumbly and you will not have that creamy texture anymore. Okay, so we'll be baking it at 120 degrees Celsius on a double boiler. That means a tray with water. Okay, add some warm water or hot water into it. Now our cheesecake is baked. Unlike other cake, you can't insert a skewer to check the baking. What you have to do is gently tap on top of the cheesecake and it should not be sticky. Let's put this in the refrigerator for 5 hours. So the cheesecake is set now, and I have demolded it from the cake cream. Even our toffee or the Dulce De Leche is ready. I cooked it for 2 hours and it is still soft and quite runny. That's the way I want it because we'll be spreading the Dulce on top of the cheesecake now. If you want it a little more harder and more caramelized, you can leave it in the water for a longer time. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll apply a thin layer of Dulce on top of the cheesecake and finish it with some vanilla Chantilly cream. Okay. Now let's start doing the presentation. I'm not using any nozzle to pipe this vanilla Chantilly cream. Instead, I will cut this in a slanting angle to create this effect. Let's finish the cake with some caramelized banana and chocolate shavings. So that's it from me, guys. Hope you all learned some new recipe today. As usual, all the ingredients and equipment used in this video has been put in the description below. Go check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and videos. As usual, I'll see you all in the next video with a new recipe.